Hey, this is Chris with TEXA USA, and today we are going to be going over how to create your myTEXA account for the new IDC6 software. So the first thing we're going to start with is getting your serial number off the back of your tablet or your VCI. It should start with a D. After that, we're going to go into the environment. From here, we can go down to the bottom where it shows you the environment and version. We can click on that. And then we can go up to where it says licenses, and then you'll see your TEXA ID. So at this time, you'll want to write that down. So once you have that written down, we can hit the X, and where we're going to go is the myTEXA account here. So we can click on that icon, and we're going to hit login. So from here, we can hit start user configuration. Alright, and once we're at this page, we can go down to where it says register. Here we can type in our email address. And then we can type in our TEXA ID. And then lastly, we can type in our tool serial number. After that, we can check the boxes and then do the CAPTCHA. And then from here, we can hit continue. So after this, you'll get an email with a link to have you create your ID and password. After we've done that, we can close that out and we can actually log in with your TEXA credentials. So that concludes the walkthrough of how to create the myTEXA account for IDC6. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. If you want any more information or want to see any of our other products, you can visit our other social media sites. And as always, thank you for staying up to date with all that is TEXA.